Today I shall make Minnie's Decor DIYs for a neutral spring tier tray idea. For my first DIY, I took an existing picture frame that I already had at home, and I have this beautiful check paper with me. I'm going to cut it to the size and fix it into this frame. Next, I have some of these satin and organza artificial flowers, and I'm just arranging them initially to look like a partial wreath or floral arrangement, and then I'm going to glue it over the black and white burlap check paper. I deliberately did not add glass on top, otherwise there would be glare, and I also needed to add flowers and bow to it to give that 3D look. Finally, I'm taking some green satin ribbon and I'm trying to fashion out a little bow, which I shall again glue right on the top in the center. And I have a beautiful spring sign in neutral colors with just the right amount of pop of colors. For my second DIY, I'm taking this potted plant which I got from Amazon. It's an artificial plant and I love the little flowers on the tip of it, but I don't like the black pot base. Next, I took a little piece of fabric I had in my stash. You can observe that it has got golden prints over white on this. I'm going to lay it flat and place my pot in the center and bunch up the remaining fabric over it, tuck it inside into the pot. Now it looks little shabby with the wrinkles and everything here. No glue needed, no stitching, nothing required. Just tuck it in, and I like the organic look to it. Now to give it that little pop of color for spring, I'm using a pink satin ribbon. Just tie a bow in the center and it's ready to go. Simple and beautiful. For my third spring tier tray idea, I am using this chalkboard sign. Some of you might have seen this, how I made it in my recent Valentine's Decor DIYs. You can check that video from my channel. Now, this chalkboard sign is reusable, best thing. So I'm just gonna wipe it, and I like that smudgy, chalky feel to it. If you don't like it, use a damp fabric to wipe it. After I've wiped it clean, I'm just using a little white chalk and writing my word, go wild. Then with a green chalk, a few wild florals and leaves, just that much, and it's a pretty decor. I must also tell you that my today's video is part of the Minis challenge that is hosted monthly by Corey from Crafted by Corey. I'll put link to her channel and to her playlist down in my description box for more ideas. I wanted to make a tag sign. Now this is a paper that I salvaged from some homemade bakery goods that I've bought sometime in the past. I like this beautiful fine green check cardstock paper, and I'm going to cut this portion out and fashion out a tag out of it. There's a stamp kind of thing. It looks nice. I'll keep it. There's some written matter which I don't want, and I'm going to hide it. So I'm going to punch a hole through it, and to go with the rest of the decor that I'm making today, I'm adding a black satin ribbon here. Just through the hole and tie it up. Next, I took a small piece of pink cardstock paper and folded it such that it can open up to give 3 pieces. Again, I folded into half so as to get a symmetrical pattern, and I have cut out a half heart shape. Now when I open it, I get three heart shapes. I'm going to make tulip out of hearts. Interesting, right? So I'm going to stick one right in the center and the two heart pieces, fold them and glue them on either side. See, it's so easy. You can make so many tulips in so many different colors using little heart cutouts. It's looking incomplete. So I'm taking a little strip of black paper and adding it below just to make it look like a stem of the tulip. And here I have an easy tag for spring decor ready. Finally, this is a heart shape that I made again for the Valentine's. It's there in my this year's Valentine's DIY videos. You can check it out. All I did was I took a heart shape, decoupaged some rose print on it, added little colors, added some metals here. These metal trinkets or items are from my broken jewelry. So it was that steampunk vintage thing that I was trying, and I had added a pink bow. Today I'm just gonna switch this pink ribbon with some green ribbon to give that touch of spring, that sprout of green, and it's done. Today's DIYs were extremely easy and so quick, you can't believe it. I just finished everything within an hour. Just go ahead, give it a try, you'll love it. I like how this whole thing turned out. It's neutral, yet with subtle touch of colors, just the onset of spring, and I think it's perfect. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Thank you so much everybody for giving your time and support. I really appreciate it. I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, take care and have a blessed day.